Location, Milledgeville, Georgia, hour and a half outside of Atlanta. We're at a off-road park called River Rock today. It's a new park for me. I've never been here. Our club, the Georgia Jeep Alliance, we created a club ride today. We're going to scout this location for an upcoming charity event that we have, the Georgia Jeep Invasion. And we're just kind of riding the park today just to see what the park is like and if this would be a good location for us. You know, looking on different blogs and YouTubes and things like that, I didn't really find a lot of content on River Rock, so I'm going to try to film some stuff today and post it on Road Rash. Let's air down, disconnect our sway bars. We're going to head out. So first, let's address the elephant in the room. Yes, I am wearing a Taylor Swift sweatshirt. Thing is, my daughter borrows all my sweatshirts. You know how these kids, they like things oversized. But the good thing is, this shirt's like an extra large. So she steals mine, I steal hers. We are going to disconnect our sway bars. And for anybody who doesn't have a Rubicon, you know what that means. Let's get under.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this unlove, cause I'm a prisoner. I just want to look my way and never back to you.
So far, this is a really nice park. You've got a little bit of everything here. You've got dirt roads with aggregate that just cruise back through the tree lines and just have a nice, smooth ride. Then you've got the other side of it, that's the more advanced pieces where you get some really heavy articulation and some massive hill climbs. Whatever you feel comfortable with, or if you even are up to the challenge to challenge yourself on some of these obstacles, you've got it all. But the good thing is even if you're riding with a big group like this, and some guys want to test it and some guys don't, they may make fun of you, but there's always an easy path that goes around so that you don't have to get your Jeep or your rig into a bind that you're not comfortable with.
I don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now,
riding. It's time to take a small break and cool off in the river.
What you want? Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side. My love, you say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. Without you, I remember myself, my name. Forgot about all you tried to change. Familiar was the sound of your voice as I continue to walk on by. It has been a year and now I'm living on the line. It has been a year and now I'm thinking what's mine, that I'm better off right here without you. That I'm better off right here without you. Forgetful, I admit that I've lost my place. My memory's gone erased. Like a scratch, only the scar remains. For we are better apart from all the pain. Distant like the stars above.
Well, you guys, that's it out here at River Rock Off-Road Park. We had a great time exploring and scouting the location. It's got everything from extreme rock crawling with some big boulders, or if you're not into that, every one of the obstacles has a beginner to intermediate trail that goes around all the harder obstacles. Had an awesome time meeting some new Jeepers. We're gonna air back up, reconnect the sway bars. We're gonna hit the road home. Hope to see you guys at the Georgia Jeep Invasion.
Right.